Hello, my name is Made Sangkatmaja, class 23A, and my presentation is Fundamental Challenge in Organizational Design. Okay, next the video. And introduction. An organizational design play a vital role in determining how a company functions and grow and adapts to change. It involves creative the structure, system, and cultural that guide how people work together to achieve a common goal. However, designing an effective organization is not an easy task. It is a complex and ongoing process that requires management to consider multiple and factors such as enforcement technology, people, and strategy. In today's rapidly changing business world, organizations face a number of fundamental challenges that make the process of design more determining than ever before. Understanding these challenges is essential for building organizations that are both efficient and adaptable. And next, the dynamic business environment. One of the biggest challenges in organizational design is dealing with a constantly changing environment. Globalization, technological innovation, and digital transformation have made market more competitive and unpredictable. Organizations must are able to respond quickly to this change in order to survive, and design that work well today may become initiative tomorrow it's the external condition shift. For example, a company that operates under a recently may struggle to reach swiftly to customer demand or new market trend. And 3-4, an organization need to adopt design that are flexible and responsive the environment constantly. And next, balancing flexibility and control. Another fundamental challenge in designing organization is finding the right balance between flexibility and control. Too much control can lead to brute scary slow decision making and a lack of creativity. On the other hand, too much flexibility might cause confusion, inefficiency, and lack of accountability. And effectivity design must find equilibrium between allowing innovation and maintaining discipline. For instance, companies in the technology sector often use flatter structure to promote creativity, and while manufacturing firm makes maintaining a more formal structure to ensure quality and consistency. And the key is designing a system that fits the organization, a goal, and operational needs. And next, managing complexity and interdependence. As organizing grow, they become more complex. New department division and team your adapts and coordination become more difficult. This complexity creates a challenge from management who must ensure that all parts of the organization work together effectively, and interdependence among units often lead to communication barriers and duplication of effort and conflict of interest. A well-designed and organization must create clear relationship, role, and process that enable coordination while avoiding unnecessary competition. And effectivity communication system, cross-functional collaboration, and clear accountability years essentially to managing complexity in large organization. Net adapting to technology change, and technology has become one for the main driver of organizational design and challenge the rest of automation, artificial intelligence, and digital communication tool and transport. And the organizational override traditional structure that's really on physical presence and face-to-face supervision are being replaced by virtual and hybrid model. This transformation demands new form of coordination, leadership, and performance evolution. Moreover, technology change the skill required from employees, forcing organizations to reduce job and team and workflows. The challenge lies in intelligent technology into the design without losing the human element that drives creativity and collaboration. And next, aligning structure with strategy. And organizational structure must always align with the company strategy. However, as strategies evolve, structure often lag behind. For example, when a company shifts from a local to a global market focus, or from manufacturing to service-based operation, and its structure must adapt accordingly. And failure to relation the design can lead to interference from communication and strategy confusion. And one of the biggest challenge from leader in ensuring that the organization design and support its strategy direction all time. This requires continuous assessment and readjust to maintain alignment between what the company want to achieve and how its organization to achieve it. And next, human behavior and organizational culture. People are the heart of an organization, and their behavior greatly influences the success it is designed. And even the most well-planned structural can fail if they do not take into account the human side of work, and resistance to change, communication breakdown, and cultural culture, and hinder the implementation of a new design. And organizational culture, the series value and beliefs that good behavior can it the strategies of weakness of structure. For example, a company with a culture of collaboration will adapt more easily to a team-based design, and will one with competitive culture meet struggle with shared decision making. And three for understanding and human and cultural aspect of design is one of the more challenging but critical element and achieving inventivity. Next, globalization and diversity. In increasingly globalized world, organization must decision structural. The chain operation across countries, cultural and time zone, managing a different workplace brings both opportunities and challenge. With different brings creative in innovation, it also introduces difference in communication style, value, and efficient organization. Decision must take into account cultural difference and creative system that promote inclusion, quality, and effectivity collaboration. And among employees from various background, this requires sensitivity atop a global dynamic while maintaining a individual organizational identity. Ganteng. And next, and innovation and continuous change. Modern organizations operate in environment where innovation and continuous change are more optimal. They are necessary from survival. This creative of design challenge: how can organization ensure innovation while maintaining stability and structural that are to reach my stifly creative will those that are to locks my lock focus sustainable organization decision system that foster learning experience and adaptability. From example, my leading companies new use project basis and team elegant method and open innovation model to user creative and problem solving. The challenge in expanding innovation into the structural with a creative of uncertainty. And next, leadership and decision making. Leadership play a central role in informing the challenge of organizational design and designing of effectivity organization recruitment leader who can make strategic decisions about role, responsibilities, and power distribution. However, into the complex and fast-changing enforcement traditional to down decision making is often too slow and organizational need to empower team individual to make decisions closer to the anticipation happiness. And this centralization of authority challenge or leadership model and recruitment request and new mindset focuses on trust, collaboration, and empowerment. The leader role become more about building and enabling rather than communicating and controlling. And in conclusion, the process, decision, and organizational is full of fundamental and challenge that requirement thoughtful consideration and continuous adaptation. The modern maintaining human connection and its structural collaboration, innovation, and inclusivity. The greatest challenge is that organizational decision is never finished. It is a living process that evolves alongside change in the environment, technology, and people. By understanding and addressing the fundamental challenge, leader can creative organizations that are not only effective and effectivity but also responsive, innovative, and ready for the future. And thank you very much my presentation.